Hello guys, let's talk about the future of this channel and plans for 2024. I will make some changes. Don't worry, I'm not switching engines or anything like that, I'm staying with Unity. But before I continue, we are almost at 3k subscribers, so make sure that you hit that button. In 2024, I decided to create games. That means the content will shift more to devlogs and sometimes a few tutorials. What about Unity courses? I plan to make new courses in the future, but I want to wait for a stable Unity 6 version. For already published courses, I still offer support and answer all questions. And here is the proof. If I select questions with no answers, you will see that they are actually not questions. They are just tips from other students. Every other question has my answer and I plan to keep it like that. So check the courses if you haven't yet. You will be surprised how much you can learn by taking them. At this point, I'm working on my first solo game project. Devlogs are coming soon, but before they come out, you can check shorts for quick updates. Also, from time to time, check the community tab. Sometimes you will find quiz questions to test your knowledge. Thank you guys for the support and see you soon.